This video will take you through Department of Management Studies, Anna University. We now stop at our destination, Department of Management Studies, a place where aspiring students enrich their talents and transform into future leaders through the guidance and support of the skilled faculty. We now take you through our faculty profile. It is evident from the profile list that all our professors are PhD holders with diverse expertise in various fields of management with several years of experiences. So, where are our future managers heading to? Let's find out. Oh, heads to the library. These neatly aligned a plethora of books provide us with knowledge and up-to-date information on various topics and aspects of management studies. Now, let's move on to the ERP lab. This lab is fully equipped and networked in a way to cater to the academic needs of the research scholars. Now, moving on to the next lab, MBA Computing Facilities, which is equally equipped and caters to the needs of the MBA students. All the classrooms are spacious with boards and projectors to facilitate classes through digital platform. The students are encouraged to make presentations in order to improve their communication skills. Students also engage in debates and discussions to broaden their horizons and remain updated with the current affairs. MBA is a heart indeed. The students are provided with wide opportunities to interact with personalities from various industries. The bus filled with cheerful managers are on their way to collaborate with the industry people. MMA, Madras Management Association, the industrial visits are highly encouraged and arranged by students to learn the basics of managing people, resources and time. The students are talented in the areas of performing arts and showcase them through various cultural events organized in the department and in the university. The faculty and students together participate and involve themselves in engaging talks and lectures to improve and bridge the gap between industries and educational institutions.